Hello everyone, welcome back as we are focusing on the chapter resources. And in the previous class, we studied about the natural resources and the human made resources. Natural resources we studied in detail, like we studied about the classifications of natural resources and human resources. These two types of resources we have studied. Now, today in this class, we shall learn about the third category of resources, that is the human resources. So first of all, we need to understand what is it. It consists of human beings themselves. Without human resources, no gift of nature can be developed and utilized as a resource. What does it mean? Human being itself is a resource. Like without human interference, no gift of nature, as you can see, it is written here, no gift of nature can be developed and utilized as a resource. Human, with the help of their knowledge and skills, they create different kind of resource. As in the previous class also, if you remember, in human made resources, we have studied about the with the help of knowledge and skills, human create different kind of resources like buildings. These kind of resources are known as human made resources. All right, but the people who are creating, they are itself as a resource, they act itself as a resource, because with the help of their knowledge and skills only, people are getting different kind of resources in their day-to-day life. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and technology to do so. That's why human beings are a special resource. People are human resource. It means that, as I told you and as I'm telling again and again, with the help of knowledge, skills, technology, we human being, we can create different kinds of resources. Alright, like for example, suppose cotton act as a raw material. Alright, now with the help of knowledge and skills and technology only, the cotton is further converted, manufactured. Manufacturing is the process through which the cotton is converted into fabric, all right, and clothes. So basically, who is converting? So basically, it's the human being who act as a resource. Human resources are assessed in terms of quality and quantity. There has to be enough human resource to utilize the natural resource. Also, there has to be well-developed techniques to utilize the natural resources in the best possible manner. As in the previous class, we studied that anything which had some value, alright, those things are known as resource. Correct? Then the thing is that who is creating different kinds of resources? Human being only, alright. And in the previous class, we studied that it should have value. Value means worth. It should have some usability or utility. It means that it should be useful for the people. Alright. Then only a thing can be called as a resource. Alright. So a thing to be utilized and to be called as resource, we should have enough human resource to convert those particular natural resources all right, that the human being can use it in a proper way. Now here the question arises is, why humans are considered as a resource? The answer is, this is because humans have an ability to transform gifts of nature into valuable resources that can be utilized for useful purposes. Education and health help in making people a valuable resources. So I'm telling again and again that with the help of knowledge and skills and different ideas, the things are converted into resources. And who is converting? The human being. So from where we are getting these ideas? With the help of education, all right, with having a proper health. All right. So basically, education and health help in making people a valuable resources. Now, moving towards human resource development. Human resource development improves the performance and ability, improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. It improves the quality of people's skills so that they can create more and more resources. That is known as human resource development. Now, what are the functions of human resource management? There are 6 main functions of human resource management. As the first one is recruiting the right people for the right job, maintaining a safe environment, then employer and employee relations, then we have compensation and benefits, and then we have labor and compliance. Then next is training and development. So basically these 6 are the functions of human resources. So what we have studied today? We studied about the human resource, that how human itself is a resource. Then we studied about the human resource development, that it improves the quality of the people's skills, all right, to get more and more and different kind of resources. So, and let me clear with one thing, that there is much difference between the human made resources and the human resources. Human made resources are the resources that is created by human being, that is made by human being. And human resources, human itself is a resource who is creating different kind of resources. Now, moving towards the assignment, here are some questions for you people. Do it. In the next class, we shall discuss about the conservation of resources.